So who says that Indians can't make luxury? You want luxury? I'll give you the luxury. So let me introduce the biggest brand of wellness and spa, Coulson. तो क्या आपको पता है कि Coulson एक ऐसा ब्रांड है जो सिर्फ इंडिया ही नहीं वर्ल्ड वाइड फेमस है, और Coulson अपना नेक्स्ट एग्जीबिशन फ्रैंकफर्ट में करना जा रहा है, वो भी जर्मनी में। और आज मैं आपको Coulson के ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाने वाला हूं which actually defines the true meaning of luxury. That's right. So I am your guide today. Let's edit the Coulson luxury products. So let me present you the Coulson first luxury, affordable luxury product, and that is portable steam cabin. अब ये अपने आप में सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी है, बट इसकी सीधी यूएसपीज मैं बताता हूँ। जैसे स्टीम का नाम आता है वो कहाँ रखा जा सकता है? सिर्फ बाथरूम में, सिर्फ इतना ही। यू नेम इट एंड दे हैव इट। यहाँ पे Coulson में सबसे बड़ी चीज ये है कि पोर्टेबल है। इसके अंदर बकेट इसके साथ आता है, आपको चाहिए बस एक इलेक्ट्रिकल पॉइंट, जिसका मतलब ये है कि आप इसे टीवी देखते हुए यूज कर सकते हो, आप इसको ड्राइंग रूम में बैठे हुए यूज कर सकते हो, अपने फैमिली के साथ बैठे हुए यूज कर सकते हो। इसके अंदर मसाजर है, इसके अंदर आपके फुट के लिए भी स्पा दिया हुआ है, और उससे भी बड़ी चीज, आप इसके अंदर अपना फेस यहाँ से बाहर निकाल के रख सकते हो, सीट की हाइट को आप एडजस्टेबल रख सकते हो, यहाँ से आपको पूरा स्पा का मजा आ जाएगा। और सबसे बड़ी चीज, योर बॉडी विल बी डिटॉक्सिफाई, मतलब कि अब आपकी स्किन है वो होगी जस्ट लाइक बेबी स्मूथ। और अब इससे ज्यादा मैं एक्सप्लेन करूं, यहाँ पे मैं बुला रहा हूँ सहेज जी को, जो विल एक्सप्लेन यू द लेटर ऑन थिंग्स। सो सहेज, ऑल्दो मैंने सारी चीजें तो बता दी हैं, बट और बेनिफिट्स आप इसमें क्या क्या है वो मुझे प्लीज बताइए।
So any type of a people, any type of a person can afford also. So
Okay.
it's basically sensible for a pricing also. So most of the products are in-house even there. So products are very having a sensible price. So every person can easily cater a different luxury of a bathroom and different experience wear.
Okay. And sir, what about the machine? Although I have explained already 3 to 4.
So this is good for those people also who is claustrophobic with the steam also in a like fixed cabins also and packed cabins also.
Okay.
So while sitting, your head is at the upside, your arms coming from there, you can easily set also, and this is on the wheels. If you can see over here, this is on wheels, so easily you can drag one place to another. This is good for the people who can't even walk also a far distance from their bedroom.
Okay.
So this is, you can take a foot massage, there's a cleaning over there, having a good temperature for the steam also you can maintain from the digital screen even there.
Yeah, firstly I was thinking that how someone take their hands out, and I
This is you have to open it,
okay,
and this is very easy to operate also.
Okay.
Any age group person can use also.
Okay.
Like simply I just open, like just soft touch. You can
Okay.
create all the RGB lights also, and you can enjoy the music as well as.
Okay.
So it can increase the steam experience also while using this product.
Oh, this one is also having a music connectivity.
Yes, it's having the Dolby sound even there, so you can
Dolby
easily sound the music connectivity while with the Bluetooth also. You can enjoy the music, and this is very lightweight also. It's not very heavy. Single person can easily drag also.
Oh, nice. So I told you earlier, you name it, they have it. The second most amazing product I have seen, that is that control panel. So Saji, please explain me about this
So
shower
this is
panel.
one of the, you can say, innovative diverter in the industry till now. If I come to a close to a diverter without touching, the elevated knobs will come out, and it can operate with a voice command also. Without touching any diverter, you can operate your showering function even there. Hello Maxima, power on, start rain, start rain. So without touching, it start the function of a rain. You can see here the rain function start. If you want to stop the rain, stop rain, it stop the rain also. So if you want to increase the temperature also, increase temperature, it increase your temperature even then. So then you can operate with the help of touch also, like this, with a very light touch way, feather touch. And second, you can operate manually also like this way. This is one of the best diverter in the industry also, with a Bluetooth connectivity with the RGB lights also there. And the best part of this, while closing, the elevator goes neat and clean inside the diverter part.
So that's again, you name it, they have it. तो मतलब यार जो होता है ना, जिनको पसंद है कि यार म्यूजिक सुनते हुए आप शावर लो, and that's amazing thing about this panel. Let's go on to the next one. Let me introduce the third USB product is XSmart WC. और जो मेन इसकी USB मुझे लगी कि अक्सर हम WC जब लगाते हैं तो उसमें लेज वॉल का एक इशू आता है। इस WC की जो खासियत है that this WC doesn't need a ledge wall or any kind of system. इसके अंदर डायरेक्टली आपके टेरेस से टैंक से पाइप इसके अंदर फिट हो जाएगा, और ये ऑटोमेटिकली उसी पानी पे काम करने वाली है। मतलब कि नो झंझट ऑफ लेज वॉल, एंड द ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन ये मोशन सेंसर पे बेस्ड है. जो इसकी सीट है ये टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल्ड है, कि मतलब यू गेट अ वार्म एंड लग्जरी फील अगेन.
So it's having the wireless remote also, and second option there is having the manual button also. So there's a motion over there. Once you come close, it will open down. It's having the bidet feature also there. After a human sit over there with the help of a sensor, bidet come out like this. You can increase, decrease that also with the water pressure, and you can operate a dryer also even there. UV rays also which can kill the germs also. You can see this dryer is open right now. It can dry entire bowl after a single usage also. Once you step out also, it automatically flush out. So this is very compact and a smart innovative WC. So as you see over here, we have the dark blue, mango, burgundy and black in a glossy. As you see over here, this WC in a burgundy color with along with the cover also in UF burgundy along with the bezel. So this is not common in the market, this color, and this will give you the vibrant look to your entire bathroom. As you see over there, the basin and a WC should be in burgundy color. The same burgundy color we are giving on a bathtub. So Colston is the one company in the entire world who's customizing the bathtub panel in a color of a WC and a basin. So you can find whatever the color of a WC you purchase from the Colston. We do customize the panel color according to. So your bathroom color should be in same color as per your sanitary ware even there.
The customization of color is available in sanitary wares as well, and the series name is D Benos. So luxury हो और hot tub ना हो, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? तो ये कोई आम hot tub नहीं है. This is something different that Colston has introduced in the market. ये आप टेरेस पे लगा सकते हो. आप अगर चाहो तो लग्जरी में वॉशरूम पे डाल सकते हो. आप चाहो तो इसको बेडरूम के किसी पूल एरिया साइड में इसको डाल सकते हो. और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि इसका जो टेम्परेचर है पानी का वो कंट्रोल्ड है थर्मोस्टेट के साथ. मतलब कि सर्दियों में गर्म पानी और गर्मियों में ठंडा पानी आप कर सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन एंजॉय विद योर फैमिली और योर किड्स एंड चिल्ड्रन. सो अगेन इसके यूएसपीज अब हमें सहेज जी बताएंगे. सहेज जी, ओवर टू यू.
So this is our 5-seater outdoor spa. This is normally 5 person can use as a single time. We have 3-seater, 4, 5, 6, 8. Then big pools are there. So best part of this bathtub, it doesn't create any motion and leakage issue. So this you can plan as a terrace also, outdoor areas also. It's having the water filtration. Same water we can reuse up to 15 to 16 days also. And it's having the online heater which maintains the water temperature of a water. So it's good for the winter time also. If somebody wants to use for ample of time, they can use ample of time over there also. The temperature maintained by the online heater itself over there.
So this is what I'm talking about. Again, you name it, they have it. So now I'm standing with Mr. Amit Ahuja. He's one of the board of directors.
Here we have displayed our wellness and bathroom products, and you can visit Colston booth and you can check the Colston products. If you have a desire to have some unique concepts for your bathroom, you want some unique bathtubs, bathware products for your bathroom, and we are specialized in the technology and designing part.
Okay.
And along with that, we always try to provide a best to best service in this segment, because buying a product is not a big deal. Having a good service is a big deal, right? So Colston is always known for its luxury and unique culture and its product. And if you already shown in your video what kind of product we have, so you can experience the whole world in our product. And might be someday you will visit Italy, US and these kind of countries also. And you can compare this product with any of the country's product, and you will find it far better than any other country. I can bet for it.
So Mr. Amit ji making India proud, and definitely for sure. So if you are bored with ordinary life and you are looking for a unique and luxury lifestyle, then Colston is your brand. Don't forget, you name it, they have it.